Welcome to Akshara Creations channel. Today I am going to explain how to do the addition according to the dot method. Here I am using the dot method 879, 466, 587. This is the example I am taking here to explain the dot method. Now we will see how to calculate. 7 plus 6 is 13. So 10 plus 3. This 7 plus 6 is 13. This 13 I am splitting as 10 plus 3. In dot method, numbers which are 10 above the 10, that means which are greater than 10, we will keep the dot to it. Dot signifies the 10. So here 7 plus 6 is 13. 13, that means it is greater than 10. So I am keeping here dot above the 6, and remaining 3 I am adding to the 9. That means 9 plus 3 is 12. So here down I am writing 2 and I am keeping dot above the 9. Why? Means 9 plus 3 is 12. 12 means it is greater than 10. In dot method, numbers which are greater than 10 or 10, we have to keep the dot above the number. It dot signifies, it dot means identification. Dot signifies it is greater than 10. So here 7 plus 6 is 13. That means 10 plus 3. I am keeping the dot above the 6. 13 means it is greater than 10. And remaining 3 I am adding to the above number. That means 9 plus 3 is 12. 2 I am writing here down and I am keeping the dot above the 9. That means 12 means it is greater than 10. So I am keeping the dot above the 9. And in the tens place, in ones place, 2 dots are there. Above the 6, above the 9. These 2 dots we have to count in the tens. So I am adding the 2 dots to the 8. That means 2 plus 8 is 10. 10 means whenever we will get 10 or above the 10, we have to keep the dot above the number. So in ones place 2 dots are there and I am adding the 2 dots to the 8. 8 plus 2 is 10 and 10 plus 6 is 16. 10 plus 6 is 16. 16 I am splitting as a 10 plus 6. Above 6 I am keeping the dot. Why? Means just now I told numbers which are greater than 10 we have to keep the dot. And that 6 I am adding to the 7. That means 6 plus 7 is 13. 13. Here down I am writing 3 and I am keeping dot above the 7. Why I am keeping the dot above the 7? Means 13 is greater than 10. So I am keeping the dot. It dot signifies the greater than 10. In ones place 2 dots are there. 8 plus 2 is 10 and 10 plus 6 is 16. Again I am splitting as a 10 plus 6. 10 signifies the dot and 6 I am adding to the 7. 6 plus 7 is 33 and 13 is greater than 10. So I am keeping the dot above the 7. Tens place also completed. Now in hundreds place. Now in hundreds place, whatever dots are there in tens place, that also we have to count here. In tens place 2 dots are there. So we have to add 2 dots to the 5. That means 5 plus 2 7. So here we are not keeping the dot above the 5. Why? Means if the number is greater than 10, then only we have to keep the dot. Here tens place 2 dots are there. The dots we have to count to the 5. 5 plus 2 7. 7 plus 4 is 11. 11 we have to split as 10 plus 1. So 11 is greater than 10. I am keeping the dot above the 4 and remaining 1 I am adding to the 8. So 8 plus 1 is 9. Once again I am explaining. In tens place 2 dots are there. The 2 dots we have to count to the 5. 2 plus 5 7. 7 plus 4 11. 11 I am splitting as 10 plus 1. That means it is greater than 10. 10 plus 1 it is greater than 10. So I am keeping the dot above the 4 and remaining 1 I am adding to the 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. Now in thousands place no digit is there, but in hundreds place 1 dot is there. We have to count that 1 dot in the thousand place. That means in thousand place no number is there, but hundreds place 1 dot is there. So we have to write as the 1. Now total result is 1932. This like this. In dot method mostly we are using the dot. It dot remembers that dot, it signifies that it is greater than 10. One more example I am explaining here. 375, 964, 128. Once again I am explaining another example. 8 plus 4 12. 8 plus 4 12. I am splitting as 10 plus 2. That means 8 plus 4 12. I am converting as 10 plus 2. It is greater than 10. So I am keeping the dot above the 4, and remaining balance 2 I am adding to the 5. That means 5 plus 2 is 7. Ones place completed. Now tens place 2. Here ones place only one dot is there. That one dot we have to add here. 2 plus 1, 3. Whatever dots is there in ones place, tens place, hundreds place, we have to calculate the dots also. We have to take the counting the dots also. In ones place only one dot is there. So I am adding here one dot. That means 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 6, 9. And 9 plus 7, 16. 9 plus 7 is 16. So 16. 6 I am writing here down. 16 means 10 plus 6. It is greater than 10. So I am keeping the dot above the 7 and writing down here 6. I am writing 6 here. I am writing as a result and keeping as the dot. This dot symbols the 10. Why I am not keeping here above the dot, above the 6 dot means 2 plus 6 is 8. 8 is less than 10. So I am not keeping the dot. 2 plus 6 is 8. So ones place one dot is there. 1 plus 3, 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 6 is 9, which is less than 10. So I am not keeping the dot. And 9 plus 7 is 16. This 16 it is greater than 10. So I am keeping the dot here above the 7. I am writing result as a 6. Now in tens place only one dot is there. So I am counting that one dot also. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 9 is 11. It is greater than 10. So I am keeping the dot above the 9. And remaining 1, whatever balance 1 is there, I am counting to the 3. 1 plus 3 is 4. And in thousands place, no digit is there. But in hundreds place, only one dot is there. That one dot I am calculating here. Whatever dots is there, we have to do the addition. In hundreds place, only one dot is there. So this here, 1 I am writing in the thousands place. Now total result is 1467. Like this we have to calculate the dot method. Only thing is we have to remember numbers which are greater than 10, we have to keep the dot above the number, and remaining balance number we have to count to the above number. This is the main technique of the dot method. And thank you for watching my channel. Thank you.